The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado emergency for Gracemont and Spring Creek. This is a particularly dangerous situation. At 11:47 p.m. CDT, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Cogar, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Gracemont, Spring Creek, Anadarko Airport, and rural areas of northern Caddo County. This is a tornado emergency for Gracemont and Spring Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Protect yourself from flying debris.